Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you a few night photography tips and tricks for the OPPO Find X9 and X9 Pro. So if you want to take the best night photography shots on the OPPO Find X9 and X9 Pro, here are a few tips to make it easier. And the first one would be to use the stabilized stable mode, night mode. And this is quite different to the normal night mode, which you get, for example, when the scene is dark and you tap on the little icon on the bottom left to enable night mode. It's a little different than that, because first of all, you enable this option manually by going to more in this little selection menu on the bottom and then tapping on night. And after that, we're going to enable steady mode, so tripod mode. And basically, tripod mode is an option that allows you to get more seconds on the long exposure on or night mode photo, and that gives better results. So it's suggested that you put your device propped up onto something or on a tripod to keep the image as still as possible. And while you're doing that, just take the photo, keep your phone still for the amount of seconds that's required, and you'll have a nice night photo. So this is the main mode that you want to use for these night shots. And then the next thing which is suggested is to obviously clean the lenses. If the lenses on your phone aren't cleaned properly, this might lead to some obstructions, some imperfections, and that might make the photo worse. And I suggest using a microfiber cloth, something like this, to clean off any smudges or fingerprints or stuff like that off the phone. And the next thing that you should do, that would be to switch to the main or the wide camera for the best results. So the sensor on the 1x camera, which is the main camera, is the best, and that offers the best night mode quality. And if you want to use 2 times or 3 times telephoto, it's suggested that you do that when there's a little more light. So for example, if there's some sort of ambient light like street lamps or neon signs, it's fine to use 2 times or 3 times. But for higher clarity, you want to use the 1x night mode. And the next thing that you can do to make your photos better is to enable some of these color modes. So you have these Hasselblad natural colors, and you can play around with them by selecting any of these options, for example, Night City, or you can go to the normal picture taking mode and enable a mode from here. So you can tap on photo, and these are some pretty good modes. So you have stage, silhouette, and fireworks. These also help, but I think it's better to use the dedicated night mode for the pictures. And then another thing that you can try is going into master mode. So you have master mode all the way on the left in this shot selection menu. And here's where you can play around with ISO, shutter speed, focus, and white balance. And these are some settings that you want to play around with. And you can enable them or select them by enabling Pro mode right here. And then changing the ISO to something lower in the range of 200 to 800. So you can see the photo gets darker. The shutter speed should be changed to something about 1/4 of a second or even 1/10 of a second, so in the range of this right here. And you need tripods or steady hands for this to work, because shutter speed is basically the same as night mode. It takes a while to actually capture the photo. And with the focus, it's suggested that you set it to somewhere around 0.95 or just auto, so auto selection for the focus mode. Here, as you can see, I can press this button right here, the A icon, and it's going to automatically select the focus for me. And with the white balance, you can keep it around 420k all the way down to 320. So you can also play around with that. So this is if you use Pro mode or Master mode, which is called in this phone. It's also suggested that you use the RAW or RAW Max options, because those are basically unprocessed photos without any AI processing that is usually on most of the phones, which leads to pictures looking a little unrealistic or kind of weird. And this is how you prevent that. You enable RAW or RAW Max. And then another thing that is suggested is to pretty much just to use the light sources creatively. So for example, frame the subjects near neon signs. So for example, somewhere in your photo you have a neon sign, maybe somewhere to the side, or like somewhere right here, so it kind of illuminates everything. You can do streetlights. You can capture reflections in like puddles of water, which is also a nice way to shoot photos. Or you can do silhouettes against bright backdrops. So maybe someone is standing in front of a sunset and that kind of casts a shadow, and that makes the night mode work pretty nice. And that's pretty much everything I have for the tips. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.